Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to remove copyright claims on your YouTube channel or your video. So let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and stay tuned for the more updates. Also comment below if you like this video and like the video. Now what you have to do, you have to go to your Google or Chrome, any searching engine. Here what you have to do, you have to search YouTube. After searching YouTube, there you can see an option of desktop side. You have to press on desktop side. After pressing on that, your YouTube channel will be appear. So what you have to do, you have to zoom the corner, and in the corner you have see your channel. So you have to press on that. After pressing on that, there's a lot of options appear on your screen. You have to press on YouTube Studio. After pressing on YouTube Studio, you have to press on YouTube Studio. After pressing on YouTube Studio, all the setting, all the procedure in the YouTube Studio will appear on your screen. After YouTube Studio appear on your screen or your search engine such as Safari or Chrome, here you have to they welcome you on your channel on your dashboard. After that, you have to see all the options that listed in a YouTube Studio. You have to scroll down, you have to zoom the video, and you can see this option of C on your screen. You have to let me zoom so you can easily see what is the option of copyright claim. So you have to zoom the video, there's option of C, you have to click on this. So this is a copyright claim. If your any video get copyright claims, so this is the option from where you can easily remove your copyright claim. And now currently you can see on my channel there's no copyright. If you want to file any copyright claim to other person, like if someone person use your video, you want to file a copyright claim, what you have to do, you can see on a screen there's an option new copyright. You have to click on that, enter the video, set all this setting. If you want to the owner copyright to remove your claim, if you get any claim, so you have to put the video and all this setting. If the owner accept, your copyright claim will be removed. So this is the video how you can easily request video removal of copyright claim, or the other way you can delete the video. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel.